Do you want to give your designs more depth and realism? Well, here's how to easily add texture in Photoshop to make any image pop up. So you can design with texture, give photos more depth, experiment with different textures, get details with texture, and find just the texture you're looking for. And here's how to do it. First, you want to add texture to an image. Start it, open Photoshop, and import the image you want to add the texture to. Then, you want to choose it. Add your texture image by selecting a file, place it embedded, navigate to where your texture image is saved. Simply just layer it. Click the Layer Mask thumbnail to activate it. Once your layer mask is activated, you can copy pixels onto it. In the Layers panel, place your texture image on top of your background image. Then you want to select it, make sure the top layer is selected. Then you want to blend it. At the top left of the Layers panel, change the blend mode in the drop-down menu from the normal to overlay. Then you want to experiment with different blend modes. Try changing the opacity slider to change the look of the texture on the image, and then lastly is to save your project. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification